the most attractive thing that I am going to experience is that an AI doctor of TCM can diagnose hair. But for me, it's super exciting because I am studying traditional Chinese medicine. And she's the one technician here, and she said that this is an AI diagnostic machine.
现在把你的脸伸进仪器里面，露出你的舌头。
So, in Chinese medicine, the pulse is very important because from the pulse reading, there is most of the disease can be diagnosed. And here in this AI system, we can read all the information, all the blood flow here in this AI system. Isn't it amazing? So after the diagnosis from AI diagnostic machine, so here we are going to select the herbal medicine that doctor is going to prescribe us. And for me, it's a wonderful experience that I am going to witness where the herbal medicine is grown that I am going to use after the prescription of the doctor. With the help of modern technology, traditional medicine will become more intelligent while experiencing an efficient and convenient medical treatment. The tracing system will guarantee the security of medicine materials. Nowadays, Shanghai Cooperation Organization and the Belt and Road have become important bonds for international trade. And the traditional Chinese medicine platform will continuously promote Chinese medicine to the whole world.